si Miko, kapatid ni Mrs., his wife, and the 2 kids, yung magpinsan. And we are on our way to Clark because we will visit Clark Island or Dino Island. It's about 100 kilometers away from the metro, about 2 hours drive, and it's the first week of June, and it's a Sunday. What a beautiful day to drive. Asa index na tayo ngayon. We left the house around 9 o'clock and now it's 10 o'clock. So expected to arrive at the venue by 11. And we will be meeting yung pinsan ni Mrs., sila Rian, yung family niya, doon. So medyo marami tayo ngayon. At so school bus tayo ngayon. Anika kasi, actually we've been there sa Dinoland 2 years ago. Ano pa ata siya nun? 2 years old pa lang ata si Anika ron. And lockdown pa nun. So may mga restrictions, no? And she can't remember pa. Ngayon kasi Anika can already request and she remembers. And she's very excited to go there. 2 weeks na kami kinukulit. 2 weeks na nanonood ng mga Dino videos. So we decided to go. Alright. So actually it's the only robotic theme park in the country. Yang Dinoland na yan. It's nice naman. Para sa akin okay naman yon kasi life-size dinosaurs, tapos they're moving, tapos may shows. Yun nga lang, outdoor syempre. So expected to be very very hot. Anyway, kita-kits later pag nandun na tayo sa venue. So we are here in Dinosaurs Island or Clark Island. Tapos meron din silang insect land over there. So this is the only robotic park in the country. Ayan. Ito yung ticket booth. We bought our tickets online. But wala nang problema. Parang wala rin naman masyadong tao. So it's a Sunday. So better wala masyadong tao para walang pila. So may mga ride. Parang ito. Rian is here, the cousin of wifey. Yan. So ito, you have to buy separate here per head. Yan. So he's paying. And the gang is inside. Right, it's a beautiful day. Di masyadong araw. Tsaka hindi umuulan. So, alright. Tara, let's go. Alright, so we are going in. Yan. Again, the layout is nice. Oh, then there's a ride. 50. You want to ride? You want to ride? Ito, may ride. Picture lang yan. Gumagalaw ba yan? Hindi. Gumagalaw. Oh, you want to ride? Oh, dali. Oh. Oh.
It's not moving.
No, it will move. Yan, so picture muna sa entrance. The iconic entrance. The gate. Jurassic Park. So picture muna kami here.
Can you stand up here?
Okay. Picture muna.
Stand up. Look at Daddy.
Doon, 1. Nakakatuwa dahil may tour guide. So, di pa nagsisimula. Pawis na ako. Ganun talaga. Anyway, ayan, ito. 2 weeks na pinapanood yan sa YouTube. Itong dinosaur na to. The beauty in this is that it's robotic and it's moving and it's life size. Kaya, ayan. Oh, tinan mo to si Anika. Oh, ano? Ayan na, hala! Oh, tuwan-tuwa, oh. Look at Anika. Oh, ayun, oh. Anika, ano? It's moving. Ayan, so it's moving. Huh?
First dinosaur po natin,
Alright.
Apatosaurus, also known as the Brontosaurus. One of the widest and the longest dinosaur. Gusto niyo po? You want to touch?
Ayan. Second stop. Ayan.
Okay, let's touch.
Ayan. So may sound effect. Ayan. Tsaka walang tao masyado. Nice. Sakto, walang araw. Perfect. No?
That's what they call the dummies po because of their brain size, like a walnut or a peanut size.
Wow. So grabe.
Yes.
Like your brain.
Riley, you want to touch or no?
Oh, ate si Anika ngayon nagka-touch na. Last time alam ko iyak nang iyak dito yan. Pero ngayon, since she's almost 4, yan, medyo aware na. Riley, medyo nangangapa pa. Where's Gab? Oh, si Gab nawawala.
Ayun, tinatouch niya.
Ayun! Oh, nag-touch na. Oh, di ba?
Ano, you want to touch that?
Ayan, so this one is big. Yan, she's really big. Oh, ganda ng layout. Ganda ng mga puno. And she's a land before time.
Flat-eater dinosaur, brain size, same size in a birthday bag.
So the whole group is enjoying the tour. Ayan, moving. Oh, Carrie? Egg, ito matagal na rin niya titingnan sa YouTube to, itong egg na yan.
Yan.
Mayroon!
T-Rex.
Oo, may bumubukas oh, may laman oh. 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 Masarap na workout kasi pawis na talaga kami. Tumutulo na sa likod.
This one was the static dinosaur. It's not moving anymore na po, no? So this one was also related to Stegosaurus because of their brain size. The difference between...
Oh, pusing-pusing pa siya oh.
Look here.
Oh, at least ngayon ganyan na siya. Dati kasi hindi ganyan yan.
The dinosaur pose, Riley,
Picture.
do like this.
Oh, di ba?
Dino poster.
So, mga pictures na for keeps.
For picture.
Picture kayo, dali, picture! Si Pinsan, nagpapapicture din. And merong flying. With sound. Oh, yung isa, nakaupo naman. Ito, prinsesa. Sarap buhay mo dyan ah. One of the highlights is the T-Rex encounter. Just like in the movie. Diba? Ako, favorite ko rin yung movie na Jurassic Park, no? It's an iconic movie. Lahat yung pinanood ko. So, it's nice that here in the Philippines, meron na tayong ganitong park. Yan. So, the big T-Rex is here. A lifestyle monster. And she's moving. Then you can go near to have the picture. Pakinggan mo yung sound. The Lizard King. Yeah, so you can do pictures up close with the T-Rex for 20 pesos each, I think. Separate. Oh, may baby pa. See? Picture lang kami. Oh, see? Oh, may baby raptor. Ayun, lapit oh. Oo. Oh, ayun.
Ano ba yan?
Feed.
Oh, ayun kami.
Oh,
Dito
no.
ka lang. Sarap. Ayaw na tako. I carry you.
Oh.
I carry you.
Oh, ani ka, dali. Oh,
Ayaw nga niya, love.
oh dali. Oh. Oh, no.
Okay, oh, look ka lang doon sa camera.
Yan, this one may props pa. Oh, may props para sa picture.
Give it to Riley.
Oh, itong dalawang to ayos eh. Oh. Naka-shades ka pa. Ah, naka-shades ka pa.
He's eating.
Yeah. So maganda sabay-sabay kayo ng group kasi ngayon tour guide para isang lakaran itutour kayo sa facility, no? Yan. So nauna sila riyan. So he waited for us. Nauna siya ng mga 10 minutes.
Oh, you want to touch?
Saka daming umiiyak na bata, no? Kasi nga natakot.
Although 70%
So-
sa mga bata umiyak po dito.
Yun nga, yun naman ang purpose ng Jurassic Park. Takutin talaga yung mga
Nangyari po
kids.
dito ngayon, ma'am. Expected versus reality.
So, daming umiiyak, nakakatawa lang. Buti si Anika, okay na siya.
But,
Ayan. Ito. Itong dinosaur na to, iconic yan. Sa mga first movies ng Jurassic Park. This dinosaur I like. Yan. Sa mga sinaunang Jurassic Park.
Pagod na, nakabali pa rin yung kamay.
Yan.
mas may matanda pa dito.
Dito. Yung puno, oh. 100-year-old tree. Ito mo gano'ng kaganda. Acacia.
From South America.
Diba? So dito, maraming century trees. Pinipreserve nila. Bagay na bagay dito sa dinosaur na to. Life size. Okay. So pawis na pawis pa rin. It's a good workout.
Anika, you have to wait.
Si Anika, tumatakbo na kung saan saan. We are in the Dino Escape. And the place is really clean. Maganda, outdoor. So hiking na rin, no? Ako, I love hiking. So it's a perfect spot for you to walk and to see some dinosaurs. So, ganda. Ganda na setup. I'm loving the trees. Gano'ng kalaki area? Ilang hectare to?
Kumukuha po ito sa 6 hectares, sir.
6 hectares. Ito, iconic din to.
Yung Baryonyx po, ancestor of all of them.
Yung scene na yan, iconic yan. I love that scene also. Eh, ang ganda ng movie niya. Oh. Laki ng move ng ulo niya. Ano yung kalis dyan? Ito, this is an iconic scene also from the movie. Okay. Yeah. Diba? The Jurassic Park
Para
car.
po sila mga wolves. Bultuhan mo.
Ayan, oh, diba? That scene is very iconic, this car. Oh.
Carly and Delta yung kapatid ko ni Blue na sa
Iniit siya, iniit. Oh, kawawa naman. Ito, scene din to sa Jurassic Park movie yan, yung kinakain, diba? Eating the dinosaur. Oh. Oh.
You're scared?
Why is eating?
Iniit nga, oh. Hungry yung dinosaur. Eating.
It's being eaten.
Being eaten. Then, merong dig and discover for the kids. Oh. So they can dig to discover things. Okay, naglaro na. Pagbigyan mo na. Sakto lang masyado maraming tao talaga. It's a perfect day to go here actually. Oh, si Gab, nabuhay. Naku, umupo na to. Patay tayo dyan. Oh. Ayan, oh, break time nila. Sarap na pawis. I'm loving the sweat. Without doing anything. So parang nasa sauna. I'm loving the setup. Ayan, trees. Mahilig kasi ako sa outdoor. No? Ayun. So merong World of Fun. And ito, dig site pa nga. Ganda may layout niya, no? So parang nasa ibang bansa ka na rin. Parang Jurassic World sa Universal Studios. A bit. No? Naiiwan ko yung camera ko, sayang. I could have captured memorable photos. Because kumpleto kami. Bihirang mangyari to, of course. Kumpleto yung magpipinsan. Sila Rian, sila Miko. Tapos may show ata doon later. Yung dino show. The dinosaurs will be dancing. Yan. So 10 minutes waiting.
Guys, everyone look here.
Ayan, ito magandang picture spot din. This one. So waiting area for the show. May mga snacks in case you're hungry. Ayan. Ako actually gutom na. Pero I'll save it later. Para masarap yung kain ko mamaya. Ayan, very clean, no? So it's like Universal Studios. Right? So the whole gang is here. Sayang, I forgot my camera talaga. Precious moments. Precious pictures. Ayan. Tinatawag na kami for the show. Bilis lang ang waiting. Sobrang laking bagay yung may tour guide ka. Sabi naman niya, lahat naman ng groups, as much as possible, binibigyan ng tour guide. So, ewan ko lang kung maraming tao. Most likely, iba wala. So, swerte rin kami ngayon dahil may tour guide. Laking bagay. May nag-explain, yan, may sumasama to explain the facility. Yan. So, inside, dito yata may mascot and aircon yan. Yes, it's aircon. Lamig. Then, we will wait for the show. May show pa. With the iconic sound from Jurassic Park. The show is about to start. Aning ay scared, hiding at my back. Takot siya. Takot. May dinosaur, wala! May dinosaur! Oh, ang laki, tatlo! Oh!
Halika, dadahin mo.
Oh! Dadansa, dadansa! Lumalapit na! Yun o, pinakain siya. Iniit oh. O, yun o. Iniit, iniit. Iniit, 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 iniit. Allah! Oh! Oh, ano? Ito, scared na oh.
May nagtatago bata.
Oh, iyak. Kanya-kanyang iyak na dito. Kanya-kanyang iyak na oh. Oh, kailan masaya, kanya-kanyang iyak ko. Oh. And family picture with the stars. The picture lang kami with the stars, the dino, the raptors.
Dino mo.
Alright, so just finished the show. Okay naman. That is my show, parang break from walking and all. Tapos the dancing dinos. That's a good break. So I think right now we are headed to the ride. May ride pa. So, alright.
Ano po tayo sir?
So, sa safari na kami.
Bali mag-2 cars po tayo, 2 cars.
Yan, may cart. Sasakay tayo. We will ride here. One of the highlights. Yun, may tram. Look. There's a tram. We will ride. We will see live dinos again. Yan, ganda, no?
Ay, dito tayo sa
So, one cart per family kami. So, we have 3 carts.
Look at daddy. Look at daddy.
Takot na naman siya. Kasi ito, hindi na to statue. Real dinosaurs na to. Diba? Yan. We are moving. Entering the cave. It's a dark cave. Hello, tago na. Ayun na. Dark cave. May dinosaur bone. Yun. Oh, yun na. Ito, may dino. Ayun na, may dino. Ito. Oh. May dino. Entering. Just like in the movies. We are entering. Oh. May monkeys. May monkeys. Scary! Ano, dead! Eating, mga patay! Dead na, puro dead!
Who's dead dino?
Puro dead dinos, oh! Puro dead dinos, ayun na, puro dead! Okay, ayun na, oh! Wala, iit tayo. May eggs. Ba't may eggs?
Dapat si Arika dyan sa gilid.
Wala! Oh no. The Lost Island. Ano yan? Wala. Ano yan? Ito. Ah!
Yan.
Ah! Wala!
Aray ko! Tinamaan ka? May likod ko.
May isa pa.
Si Sir Emilio.
Tapos na. And it's done. Tapos na. One down. Oh, ano nangyari dyan? Right.
Bakit tawa kayong tatlo?
Success. May umiyak na.
Okay, sige.
May umiili. May nagwawala.
Yan, kasi
Oh.
Huwag na maingay, huwag na maingay.
Saan? Sa gorilla?
Okay.
So, we are on our way to Wonders of the World. Mga landmarks ata yan.
Maya sakay?
Yeah, mamaya sakay ka. Tapos I'm hungry. Sakto to, gutom na gutom. Sarap kumain pag gutom. So I think these are landmarks of famous places. Yeah? Alright? Oh. Wonders of the World.
So this one, we will go just there.
Oh, di ba? So para ka lang nasa park talaga. Quiapo. Ito Binondo. Oh. Ruins.
Sila dyan.
Welcome to Great Wall of China.
Mayor ata yun.
Have you been? No, you have been. Oh, this one, Machu Picchu.
Oh.
Dito na tayo, sir. Dito pa po tayo.
Machu Picchu.
We are in Insectlandia. So mga big insects statues. So another set of walking. Walking. It's already 1 PM. Di pa kami nag-lunch. No? Last time, di na kami nakapunta rito eh. So this is a first for us. Ayan, mga big giant spider. Robotics din pala. It's also moving din pala. Yeah. So, also moving, oh. Spider!
Kaya po nila
Cockroach.
na 1 week na walang ulo. Kasi po yung utak nila wala po sa ulo, nasa abdomen po ang utak nila, o nasa tiyan.
Spider.
Nasa cockroach.
Insect museum. Puro butterflies. Then, more giant insects. Ito, pinakamalaki. The bee. The giant bee. Kanyas ganda, oh. Magtotoo pala yun. Hindi nangagat.
Hindi po sir, pwede po siyang hawakan.
Galing ah. Buti hindi nangagat to.
Binali na po namin dito niya sir.
Binali na yung stinger.
Although meron po siya venom. At hindi na po gano'n ka-powerful yung
Oh,
venom.
ako ngayon lang din ako nakahawak nito. Anika.
Don't touch it, ha? Ayan, o, tignan mo, hold yung daddy.
Oh!
Yan meron din po tayo dito na madalas using cactus. Yung mga scammer po pala natin sir, meron lang po sila 25 years lifespan.
Oh, look oh.
So active po
Big,
sila
oh.
by nights.
Galing ah.
Okay, come on, scorpion. Po na lang naging turn into black na po. Old na po sila nun.
Madagascar cockroach. Lobat na. Everyone is running on fumes. Lobat. Ano oras na ba? Go. Because it's 1 o'clock.
Hungry.
Everybody is hungry. Lobat running on fumes. Patapos naman na. May show pa pala. Ewan ko kung ano show yan. Beetle Kingdom. Siguro mascot ulit. Waiting for another show. Here in Insectlandia. The Beetle's Kingdom.
On Sonoro Island,
Show is about to start.
surrounded by water, a colony of ants is preparing food for the arrival occupied grasshoppers. Of the ants that are working, one of them that stand out is an industrious one named Flick. As a time...
Caterpillar.
Oh, what sounds sleepy!
Caterpillar mascot.
Oh, there's a lot of people in here!
Hi! Oh, di ka takot ha? Oh. Caterpillar, oh! Caterpillar! Hello! Hello! She's enjoying the ant mascot.
Romantic feeling with me? Yes. I love you, Ata.
Sasayaw na, sasayaw. Whoop, whoop. Whoop, 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 whoop. Whoop, 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 whoop. Oh, pwede pa pala dito. Oh. Dance, dance. Oh, dancing with the mascot. Oh, dance, dance. Whoop. Whoop, 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 whoop. Ayos ah. Oh, ayos ah. Oh, last na picture taking with the mascot. Oh. Picture taking. Picture taking. Oh, diba? At least may mascots. Oh, di na siya scared oh. Picture, picture. Alright. Just ordered. 20 minutes waiting time. Ayun, mga fried chicken. Pag theme park naman, mga fried chicken talaga. Thank you. Thank you. Punta ako dun sa isa kasi may nakita akong Angus burger. So, I'm gonna have that. Here, dun, sa pa. Burger. Isa. Isa lang? Angus beef burger. May fries na yun, gano'n? Ah, sige. Angus beef. Okay, mamaya na rin yung bayad pag luto na. Alright, so actually tapos na kami. Tapos na yung tour and everything, rides and everything. So this is Dinoland for you or Clark Island. Yan, I love the place. Maganda setup, malinis, konti tao, mura. Everything is here. So the eating area looks like this. Yan. Medyo may waiting time pero wala ka naman choice talaga. So it's just really really hot. Kaya lahat kami medyo pagod. I'm beat. They are beat. Everyone's beat, tired, and hungry. No? Advisable when you're going here, kumain na kayo na marami to save fuel kasi nga you will be doing a lot of walking. No? So basically, ito, tayo natin yung food, then balik na tayo. So my first meal, Angus burger, which I bought from that shop.
I give you.
It's already here.
I give you.
Order namin from here, we are still waiting. Siyempre, a theme park will not be complete without a cotton candy. Ayan, nagko-cotton candy siya. Oh? Oh, finally, you have your cotton candy. Yay! Ito yung stall. 100 yata isa. Wow! Ang laki niya na! Oh! Ang laki ng cotton candy mo. Oh, give Riley. Ayun si Riley. Give sa likod. Sa likod. Ayan. Oh, give mo Riley. Laki niya na! The food is here. Ganyan, ganyan. Fried chicken style. Bata. Kasi nga, theme park. Alright? So, the rest are waiting for their food. May cotton candy, nainggit si Riley. Bumili din. Anika is riding one ride lang. So, basically, that's it. That's our Dinoland experience. It's the first week of June. It's a Sunday. So, it's a perfect day to go here. People are still coming. So, wala masyado tao. That's why sakto yung punta namin. And there's a tour guide. And I think everybody enjoyed the park. And yung Insectlandia, okay din naman. No? Actually, there's lots of things to do here. Tapos na yung buong araw mo. Kami is balikan lang. So, we left about 9 o'clock. 9 in the morning, we arrived 11. Tapos ngayon I think it's 2:30. So yun, sakto, uwi na kami Manila. Kayang balikan, no? So anyway, thanks for hanging out, thanks for joining, and please help my channel by subscribing and liking this video. Until next time.